Hi, John from Diode Dynamics. Today we're excited to introduce our new Stage Series reverse light kit with an additional red running light feature for the 5th gen Toyota 4Runner. These kits come on our flood optic of your choice of our SSC1s or SSC2s that bolt directly to factory mounting locations under the rear bumper. Not only does this kit provide you a significant increase in light output directly behind the vehicle, but unlike comparable options on the market, ours includes a red backlight feature. Included with this kit is our plug-and-play harness with OEM-grade connectors that utilize a 3-way switch. Using our 3-way switch, you have the option to control this kit manually or rely on your factory signals, which allow for a red running light feature to automatically switch to our main beam when putting it in reverse. This kit bolts directly underneath the rear bumper, requiring no cutting or modification. If you plan to take your 4Runner off-road and you're worried about your departure angle, we recommend checking out our flush mount kit. If you're looking to pick up a backup kit for your vehicle or any of our other products, visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.